Kajing suki bat kajing peslam ban pendap ban snai ki yeng bedok hanong mensong kadai hadian baka company ke ba pentrai yakni ka project ke ban Delhi ka Hindustan Prefab Limited kala kenran din no ban pentrai yakni ka project habe keren bekilat pathai ku bor ka menteri katnat penroi sor ka kong amperin lingdo kala ong ba baro kijing ap kemilenti de ki babon balang ki bakwa ban yo ino e ki yeng badong ka sor ka jila kala bu por ban pendap lot yakni ka project hapo ubnai rempang jong snem R1000 khat rio.
After the HPL surrendered the projects, we are now well into constructions. We have already began on 10 blocks with 14 units per block. We expect 140 units for housing for the urban poor to be completed tentatively by first week January. So we should be able to operationalize them by the last week of February. Another 7 units have been sent for approval, and accordingly these will also shortly commence, so which means another 7 into 14. So looks like we will be able to complete the units as per the JNNURM proposal.
La banong ba sarkar kami kalamang ban snai ki yeng badok hadu andrus patlik unit kabala pentrai ling ba ka jingbay tingka ling ba ka scheme Basic Service of Urban Poor BSUP jong ka JNNURM min house nem R1000 nyo ya kani ka project la IT ban pentrai ha ka te ka company HPL house nem R1000 pra ha ka jinglot ka ban kot laipo point saupo kulor tingka henrai hadu menta kadang dep ban sna tang kumbar khandai phun riu tali ka menteri ka laong ba katnat kamban se ban simti hi ban pendap ekiwei pat ki jingsna ki badang sateng.
It is very important to remember that local problems need to be handled locally. When a central government scheme comes to the state should be given the authority to handle these issues. The problem here is that when the central government scheme comes to the state and when the agencies are selected by the central government, when these agencies come to the state for implementation and execution of projects, they face a lot of local problems. What was the biggest problem in the Nongman Song project? The biggest problem in Nongman Song project was the labor issues. So when you hand these projects to the local people, they themselves will handle the local people and they themselves will employ locally available laborers. So this is just one of the problems that I'm showing you. So henceforth, central government schemes should be left to the state for execution. Otherwise, we'll never reach the target. It becomes a big problem. From 2004-05, imagine we're completing the projects in 2015-16. You can see the losses that are incurred. Forget the time loss. Look at the financial implications. An SOR which was viable in 2004 will never be viable in 2015. Who is going to pay the difference? Who is going to look at all of these losses? So I think henceforth we should at least have a good bargain when a central government scheme comes, keeping in mind the experiences learned in the past.